May sounds? Hello, testing, testing. Hello. Welcome po sa ating lecture 1 about welcome po sa ating lecture 1 about computer programming. Ano siya? Why should you learn how to program? So, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to define program and programmer, express how programming affects your daily life, and enumerate reasons for learning how to program. So, you have there the pre-test. You have to answer that. Do not worry if you got it right or wrong. What is important is that you will try your best to answer. That's your current knowledge. So, the first question is, what is a program? If you have no idea, you can type there already no idea. Then the second is, what is programmer? So if you don't have an idea, just have your wild guess, wild guess. Then number 3, why is programming important? And number 4, what are the reasons for learning how to program? Okay, so let's go now to the content. So let's talk about program. So have you seen an invitation program? What are the contents of the program? You can see list of activities in its proper order. First, you can see the prayer. It is followed by the singing of the national anthem. Third, the opening remarks. This is followed by an intermission number, and the list goes on. The last part is the closing remarks. Computer programs are just like that. It has a beginning, body, and an end. So computer programs are software that tells the computer hardware what to do. So our computer hardware is useless without the computer programs. Let's talk about programmer. So a person who writes a program is called a programmer. So it writes sets of instructions that tells the keyboard to accept values, the video monitor to display text, the processor to compute the sum of two numbers, the memory to store values, etc. There are lots of programming languages available today. We can have Java, JavaScript, VBScript, Visual Basic, .NET, C, C++, Python, and others. You can be named as Java programmer, VBScript programmer, Visual Basic programmer, C programmer, or C++ programmer. So in this course, you will learn Python programming language. Hence, you will become a Python programmer. So let's proceed now to the reasons for learning how to program. So what is your reason for learning how to program? Or I'll say, what is your reason for taking this course? You might say, I need to learn how to program because I need to pass this subject. After passing this subject, I will graduate. Then I will apply for a job. Some reasons I got from an interview with my students are the following. So first, my parents can only afford a 2-year course. My friend enrolls in this course, so I also enroll. My crush is in this course, I also enroll. My parents want me to enroll in Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. My parents want me to enroll in ASHATE in Industrial Technology. My parents want to enroll me in ACT. So what I can say is that they're just forced to get programming subject because they're forced to enroll in ASHATE Computer Technology, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, or ASHATE in Industrial Technology. In the Python for Informatics book, Charles Severin states the reasons for writing programs. He said, you can write programs for many reasons, ranging from making your living to solving a difficult data analysis problem, to having fun, to helping someone else solve a problem. Programming is important because it will make our life better. Let's proceed now to the importance of gender and development, peace and values as a programmer. It is important for a programmer to appreciate the importance of gender and development, peace, and values. This refers to freedom from disturbance. So one must create programs that will help humanity. Programs must not hurt anyone. Values are also important in the life of a programmer. Aside from being competent, a programmer must have good values or character. Without good values, a programmer might commit computer crimes. Lastly, knowing about gender and development will help the programmer to develop programs that are good for all kinds of gender. Gender refers to the characteristics of women, men, girls, and boys that are socially constructed according to the World Health Organization. Examples of gender are lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer. Philippine Commission on Women defined gender and development as the development perspective and process that is participatory and empowering, equitable, sustainable, free from violence, respectful of human rights, supportive of self-determination, and actualization of human potentials. So thank you very much for watching our lecture. And if you want to have the activities, no, we have our learning activities. Our first learning activity would be titled "Who Am I?" So the directions for this is you're going to fill up the necessary information. No, first you're going to fill up your name. Of course, you will not commit mistakes on this one. Then your birth date, your address, your sex, and your gender. Sex and gender are two different things. Sex is the male or female, while the gender is the one that we discussed earlier. Then you have religion, your contact number, you can include that. Your hobbies, this is very important because out of your hobbies, you can create programs or business out of that. Then you are going also to list your strengths and weaknesses. So you can list at least 3 strengths and 3 weaknesses. So you can evaluate that through yourself. And lastly, you're going to type, no, it's not the last one. What are your reasons in learning programming? Then this one is the last. You're going to list your goals in life. This is very important activity to really have goals in your life. So I think that's it. Then after that, we have our assessment. So for your assessment, you have to answer this based on the discussion above, no? What we discussed earlier. So you answer that one, you can visit our Google Classroom, or you can use a shortband paper for this and submit that in our drop pigeon boxes. So first question is, what is programming? Then second question is, what is a programmer? Then number 3 to 5, examples of programming language. The number 6, why is peace important? Number 7, why are values important? Number 8, why is God important? Number 9, what is a computer program? Number 10, give an example of a gender. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe, and please do the activities, and please give me feedback for the improvement of our video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. See you in our next lecture. Goodbye. Always remember, learning is lifetime.